Solitaire is any tabletop game which one can play by oneself, usually with cards, but also with dominoes. The term solitaire is also used for single-player games of concentration and skill using a set layout tiles, pegs, or stones. These games include peg solitaire and mahjong solitaire. The game is most often played by one person, but can incorporate others. The origins of card solitaire or patience are unclear, but the earliest records appear in the late 1700s across northern Europe and Scandinavia. The term Patienspiel appears in Das Neue Königliche Lomberspiel, a German book published in 1788. Books were also reported to appear in Sweden and Russia in the early 1800s. There are additional references to patience in French literature. In the United States, the first card solitaire book, Patience, a series of 30 games with cards, was published by Edna Cheney in 1870. The card game that many people identify with solitaire is Klondike Solitaire, which is the most played solitaire game. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.